Hi guys, welcome to another video. So in this video we're gonna talk about statements or conditions in Java. So let's get started. So the first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna basically read a number. So to read a number, we're gonna import the package here. Import the package. Let's import java.o2. Okay, let's import everything inside of this module, and we're gonna come here to let's try running this to see what we got. Yeah, I see that we have an error here. Okay, I forgot to import. It's import, not package. Okay, so we have this code here, and today we're gonna do basically an example on how to use conditions or statements to do something. So let's create a scanner here, scanner sc equals new scanner system dot in. Okay, let's just add some text here. Let's ask the user to print some number on the console. Enter a number. Okay, and we already know how to do this. Int number equals sc dot next int. Okay, so we're gonna read an integer from the system.m. Let's just now print this number just to show that everything is working out perfectly, and print number. Okay, let's run. Okay, let's enter 7. You guys can see 7 here. Okay, so I'm gonna add a condition here. So conditions in Java are as the following. So I use a if as in English, if something something. So we already know how to type expressions such as those kind of statements. So if you do if true this way, okay, system dot out dot print ln boo, something like that. If you run this, let's run. Let's type 5, and you guys can see boo, because if true means if this block, this snippet of code is true, we're gonna run this. This is obvious, but it could be something like if number is greater than 10, we're gonna print boo. So now I have a condition. Okay, I'm just going to print this boo thing if my number is greater than 10. So let's run. If I type 7, actually better 5, I can't see anything here. If I run again and type 11, I can see boo. So this is a condition in Java. That's pretty much how we can write conditions on Java. Okay, so that's the explanation, guys. Hope you enjoy. See you guys next time.